Hey there, you got your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds, and in this beginner's guide, I'll walk you through an easy tutorial how to use and customize some basic settings and functions on your Sony earbuds. So let's get going. Now first, you need to pair it with your Android or iPhone. Now for that, make sure both the buds are inside the case, keep the lid open. Now press and hold this back button for 5 seconds. And at the front, you will see this blue blinking beautiful LED. That means it's on pairing mode. Depending on the device you're using, either you'll get a pop-up for all the prompts, or from the Bluetooth settings, you'll need to pair it with the device. Now after pairing, for further customization, you can download and install the Sony Headphones Connect app either from App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using. Just go ahead, set up and connect it with your buds. And please remember, whenever your buds are out of the case, it will be automatically connected to the app. Now first of all, when you're at the home screen on your app, you will see the current battery status of both your buds and the charging case. If you go to Adaptive Sound Control and turn it on, if you want, from this ambient sound control based on actions, you can see your buds will determine your movement and position, and you can select which mode you want on which activity. If you go back to the headphone section again, you will find these connected devices. These are the list of devices your headphones are paired to. And if you tap on Connect a New Device, your Sony headphones will be discoverable on the Bluetooth list of another device. If you go back to the headphone section again, go to Sound tab, and from here you can manually change into either noise cancelling or ambient, or turn it off if you want. Now next, if Speak to Chat option is on, while playing music, while you talk, the music will pause to let you talk. You can turn it off and on according to your own preference. I'm going to turn it off. If you scroll down, you'll find an Equalizer option. If you tap on this downward arrow, you can either turn off all Equalizer, or use one of the preset ones, or if you tap on this full icon, you can change and customize the Equalizer according to your own preference. Also, you can visit Find the Equalizer before setting up the best equalizer. If you scroll down, you can turn on DSEE Extreme, especially if you're a savvy user. Next, go to the System tab. Now, first of all, if you want two devices to connect simultaneously without disconnecting from your buds, toggle on this first option. Your buds will disconnect and reconnect again. From this voice assistant function, you can change the voice assistant according to the type of device you're using. If you further scroll down, from this full icon, you can slightly change the left and right earbuds button functions. And also, if you don't like, you can reset both of them. Scrolling down further, now comes the cherry on top, the ambient sound control settings. Whatever 2 or 3 options you select in here, when you tap on your bud, it'll cycle through those options. You can also set quick access if you're using any music service. Scroll down and you'll find head gesture. You can turn it on and take incoming call by nodding, and reject the call by shaking your head only whenever you're wearing your earbuds. If you scroll down a little, you can determine optimal earbud tips right from here. Also, if you want to save your earbuds battery, you can select the first option, so when you take up your earbuds, it'll turn off after a certain period. Scroll down further and you'll find this update software option. We recommend you to select it to auto update, because update always comes with bug fixes. Now lastly, Initialize settings, or hard resetting your earbuds. Whenever your earbuds are connected to the app, you can either hard reset both the customized settings on your app and the earbuds by selecting this first option, or only hard reset your earbuds by selecting the second option. You can also hard reset your earbuds right from the buttons. Make sure the earbuds are inside the case, press and hold the same back button you used for pairing it for 20 seconds now. At the front, you will see blue flashing LED and eventually the orange flashing LED. This will hard reset your earbuds and you'll have to repair it with the device of your choice again. Now there are a lot of other settings here and there, but these are all the basic settings that you need to know to use your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.